Hello children. Hope you all are fine and safe. Your Nana ma'am is back. Today let's start our class with a rhyme. You know the rhyme name? Okay, ma'am will tell you. The rhyme name is The Bear Went Over the Mountain. What is the rhyme name? The bear went over the mountain. Are you ready to sing with me? Yes? See, here it is. What is this? Yes, it's a bear. So let's start. Okay. The bear went over the mountain. The bear went over the mountain. The bear went over the mountain to see what he could see. But all that he could see was the other side of the mountain. The other side of the mountain. The other side of the mountain was all that he could see. So he went back over the mountain. He went back over the mountain. He went back over the mountain to see what he could see. Children, let's sing one more time. Yes? The bear went over the mountain. The bear went over the mountain. The bear went over the mountain to see what he could see. But all that he could see, the other side of the mountain, the other side of the mountain, the other side of the mountain was all that he could see. So he went back over the mountain. He went back over the mountain. He went back over the mountain to see what he could see. How was the rhyme, children? Do you all like? Yes? Good job. So children, did you like the rhyme? Yes? Okay. Practice this rhyme, children. Okay? Today we are going to learn something new in general awareness. Let's start with family. Do you know what is family? Yes. The family means the members who live with us. Right? We are doing lots of fun with the family members. Right, children? Like we are going out together, playing together, watching movies, eating food together, and parents are telling stories also, right? So children, nowadays you are at home. Enjoy each moment with your family members. Okay? Do you know, children, there are two types of family. You know? Okay, ma'am will tell you. There are two types of family. First one is small family, or we can say nuclear family. Okay? Small family or nuclear family. Second one is joint family or big family. Okay? Big family or joint family. These are the two types of family. Now, ma'am is going to show you small family. let's learn small family. Okay? So children, some of your friends and maybe you are having small family. Small family means there will be Mama, Papa and sibling. Sibling means brother and sisters. Okay? So small family means your parents or brother and sister will be there. Okay children? And other one is big family. See children, there are so many people, right? In big family, see, in grandpa, grandma, uncle, aunt and your cousins will be there, right? See, along with your mama and papa. Okay children? Along with your mama and papa. So joint family means there will be many people along with your parents. Okay children? Parents and you and your siblings, grandparents, uncle, auntie and cousins. So children, what are the types of family? Yes, small family and big family. In small family, we are having parents and siblings, right? And in big family, we are having grandparents, parents, uncle, aunt and cousins, right? If we'll join together, see, it becomes big family. Correct children? Yes? Very good. So, children, family can be big or small. Or now you are at home, enjoy each moment with the family. Okay children? Now children, next move to our next topic. Tell me first, where we all are staying? Yes? Say louder. Yes, we all are staying in house, right? But children, do you know there is a difference between house and home? House means a building where we are living. But home means where we are live with our family members. Understood children? House means a building where we are living. Home means where we are living with our family members. Okay? So children, now we are going to learn about home. So children, first tell me, how many rooms you have in your house? Yes? 2 rooms? 3 rooms? Yes, yes. 4 rooms? Okay, very nice. See, I have one picture. One home picture. Okay? In this picture, I have 4 rooms. Okay children, in this picture I have 4 rooms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, see? What is this here in this picture? This is living room. Where we all are sitting together and watching TV, talking, right? And what is this children? Yes, this is bedroom, where we all are going to sleep. We are taking rest, right? And what is this? When we are feeling hungry, where we are going? Where mama is cooking food? Yes, this is kitchen, right? And one more, it is there something. What is that? Yes, this is bathroom, where we are taking bath and we are brushing our teeth. Yes, children? So, see, in this picture, we are having 4 rooms. Now, we are going to learn each and everything about these rooms. Okay, children? So, children, let's start with the living room. This is our living room, where we all sit together and watch TV. So let's see what are the things found in the living room. See, children, this is TV. You all like to watch cartoons, right? This is TV. This is TV unit. And this is table. Yes? This is our sofa set. Yes? Where we all sit together and watch TV. Yes? And this is window curtains. And one more thing is there. What is that? Yes, this is table lamp or stand lamp. Okay, we are keeping table lamp or stand lamp. This is our stand lamp. Okay, children. So this is our living room. Next, what is this? Kitchen. Yes, where we cook our food. When we are feeling hungry, where we are going? We are going to kitchen. Yes. So let's see what all the things are there in kitchen. This is fridge. This is microwave oven. This is gas burner. This is kitchen vessels. This is kitchen cabinet. Chimney. This is window and one sink is there. Yes? So, children, this is fridge. We are keeping in fridge milk, vegetables, paneer. Yes. And this is kitchen cabinets. In kitchen cabinets, we are keeping kitchen items like salt, turmeric powder, sugar. Yes? Gas burner. We are cooking our food. Okay? And this is sink, where we are washing our utensils and washing our vegetables. Yes? So, this is our kitchen. So, children, next is bedroom, where we all go to sleep. Yes? So let's see what all the things are there in bedroom. We have one cupboard, bed, one table, study table or computer table, one clock and air conditioner, or you can say AC also. Yes? So this is cupboard. Yes? Where we are keeping our clothes. This is study table, where you are going to write A, B, C, D or 1, 2, 3. Yes, children, you are going to write A, B, C, D or 1, 2, 3 on the table, right? You are sitting on the table and writing. Yes? And if you want to see the time, you can see on the clock. Yes? So, this is our bedroom. Next is bathroom. So, let's see what are the things are there in bathroom. Wash basin, commode, bathtub, shower and toothbrush. Yes? In my last video, children, I told you to brush twice. Are you doing like that? Very good, children. This is mirror and one bucket also there. Okay? So, this is our bathroom. So, children, what we have learned? We have learned about 4 rooms. Yes? What are the rooms? Living room, kitchen, bathroom and bedroom. Yes? And one more thing, children, you have to keep all the rooms neat and clean. For that, you have to keep all the things in proper place. Will you do like that? Okay, very good. So children, are you ready with your notebook and pencil? Yes? Then let's start. First word is living room. Living room start with the letter L. 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 How to write capital L? From which line to which line? Which line to which line, children? Yes, from red line to blue line. Standing line, sleeping line, L. Right? Next letter is I. Standing line and dot. Right? Next letter is V. Then I. Then N. The next is letter G. How to write letter G? Which line to which line? Yes, from blue line to red line. Very good, children. Semicircle, go up, come down, touch the red line, then small curve. Very good, children. Next, our living is done. Now we are going to write room. Living room. Room start from letter R. Standing line, small curve, R. Then O. One more O. Yes. Then M. Living room. Okay, children. Now next we are going to write bedroom. Okay. Bedroom start from letter B. Ba. Bedroom. Ba. Standing line, small curve, one more curve, B. Then next is letter E. Yes. Then D. Bed. See, B-E-D, bed. Next is room. See, children, here also room was there, right? So same spelling. It's very easy to learn. Okay, B-E-D, bed. Then room, R-O-O-M, bedroom. Yes. Now next is kitchen. Kitchen start from letter K. Ka. K. Ka. Standing line, slanting line, then one more slanting line, K. Then I, T, kit. Then 10, C, H, then E, N, kitchen. Okay. Next, last word is bathroom. Yes. Bathroom also start from, what is the letter sound? Yes, very good, children. Ba. B. Standing line, small curve, one more curve, B. Then A. Next letter is T. Then H. Yes. Then again room. What is the spelling of room? Yes. R. Yes. O-O-M. Good job, children. Very good. R. O-O-M. Bathroom. Okay. See. First one is what then? Living room. Yes. L-I-V-I-N-G. Living. Then room. R-O-O-M. Room. Living room. Then bedroom. B-E-D-R-O-O-M. Bedroom. Next is kitchen. K-I-T-C-H Last one is bathroom. B-A-T-H-R-O-O-M. Bathroom. So children, practice these words, reading and writing. Okay? And now let's go to the next topic. Children, now ma'am is going to teach you a very important things. Do you know what is that? It is about safety. We can get hurt anywhere. You know children, accident can happen anywhere. Yes, so there are some rules to keep us safety. So that rules we have to follow. Okay children, so let's start with safety at home. Okay, do you all like to play at home, right? Yes, but we have to follow some rules while playing. Okay, see, ma'am going to show you few pictures. Those pictures are that we have not to follow. Okay, so see, first picture is, see, this boy is going to play with the sharp objects. Yes, there are so many sharp objects are there. Tools are there. He is going to play with the sharp objects. Children, it is not safe to play with the sharp objects. You may injure yourself. Okay, but if you want to do some craft activity, take your parents' help, and in the presence of parents, you can use scissor or ask the parents to cut the paper for you. Okay children, so don't play with the sharp objects. Stay away from the sharp objects. It may injure yourself. Okay, next one is, stay away from the wires and sockets. See, this is wire, right? And this is plug. Don't play with this wire, plug, sockets. Okay, and any electrical appliances. Okay children, and one more thing, if your hands are wet, so don't touch the electrical things. What will happen, you know? You may get electrical shock. Okay, so don't play with the electrical things. Next is, stay away from the hot objects. Yes, see, if mama is cooking food, yes, if you are going and playing there, if by mistake if you touch this vessel, what will happen? It will fall upon you, right? Yes, so be careful. Okay, stay away from the hot objects and don't play with the gas burner. Okay children, don't play with these gas switches. Okay, next is, don't spill water or any oil on the wet floor. So children, if floor is wet or some oil or something is there, so walk carefully on the wet floor. Okay, next is, see what this boy going to do. This boy is thinking to climb on the shelves, but children, it is very dangerous. If you are going to climb on the shelf, if suddenly if you will fall, then you may get hurt. So never do like that. Okay children? So children, see, this boy also thinking to climb on the window sill. But it's very dangerous, children. If you will fall or something, what will happen? You may get hurt, right? So, when you are playing at home, be careful children. Follow the safety rules. Okay? Now, we are going to learn about more safety. But safety on roads. So children, when we move on the road, it's very important for us to observe the traffic rule. Before crossing the road, we have to see our left, then right, then only cross the road. Yes? And we should cross the road on zebra crossing. Okay children, always cross the road at a zebra crossing. Yes, and see, something is there here. Do you know what is that? Yes, I will show you big one. See, what is this? Do you know? This is traffic signal. Yes. How many lights are there in traffic signal? There are 3 lights, right? First one is red, then yellow, then green. When it turns to red, it means stop. When it turns to yellow, it means slow or wait. And when it turns to green, it means you can move. Yes, this is the main traffic rule. Okay children, always walk on the footpath. Yes, this is footpath, right? See, these children are nicely walking on the footpath. Yes, always walk on the footpath. And if you want to cross the road, hold mama or papa hand or any elder hands to cross the road. Yes, they are crossing the road. Where they are crossing? They are crossing the road on the zebra crossing, right? And this boy is holding his mama hand. Always hold mama, papa or any elder's hand. Okay children? Next one is, see, this is one family, right? All are going somewhere. They are going by car. Yes? And see, all are wearing seat belt. Yes, always wear seat belt while in a car. See, front seat also, mama, papa are wearing seat belt, and back side also, children are wearing seat belt. Okay children, if you are sitting in back side, then also you have to wear seat belt. Yes, always wear seat belt while in a car. And one more thing children, don't stick your hand or head outside of the vehicle. Sometimes some moving vehicle will come from the that side and it may lead to accident, right? It may harm you. Yes? So don't stick your head or hand outside the window. Okay? So see what these children are doing in this picture. Is it safe to play like this? No, right? They are playing on the road. Yes. So don't play on the road children. See, they are playing on the road and one car is coming from that side. Yes, it may lead to an accident. You may get hurt. Okay, so never play on the road children. Don't play. So children, be careful when you are moving on the roads. And also when you are playing at home, play with some rules. Okay? Be careful with the safety. So children, be careful while walking on the road. And always follow the traffic rules and safety rules. Okay? Very good. Now, next we are going to do one activity. It's activity time. Are you ready for that? Yes? Come with me then. So children, I am having few pictures. See, look at this picture. Here, what we are going to do, we are going to mark against the picture which are correct. We are going to tick mark. Okay? And we are going to put cross against the picture which are not correct, which are incorrect. Okay? See? First this picture, what children are doing? These are playing on the road. So is this correct to play on the road? Is it safe? No, right? So what we will do? Should we put tick mark or should we put cross? Yes? Yes, we are going to put cross. Right? Now next picture is, see children, this room is very neat. Yes? Very neat and clean. Are you keeping your room like this? Are you keeping your toys in proper place? Very good children. Always keep your toys in proper place and help your parents also to keep the things in proper place. So should we tick mark here? Or should we cross here? Yes, we are going to put tick mark. Good job children. Now, in this picture, see, one boy is holding his mama's hand and he is going to cross the road. So, is this correct? Is this safe? Yes, children, very good. So, what we are going to do? Oh, super children, we are going to put tick mark, yes. So now, see, one little girl is there. See, she is playing with the gas burner. Yes. So, is it safe? No. So, what we are going to do? Yes, we are going to put here cross. Yes. Now, next picture is full family is wearing seat belt while in a car. Yes. Is it safe? Yes. Yes, so we are going to put, very good children, we are going to put tick mark. Yes. See, one brother and sister is there in this picture. What they are doing? They are playing with the electrical appliance, right? They are playing with the plug, wire. Is it safe? No, right? So, what we will do? Yes, we are going to put here cross. Well done children, well done, good job. So, practice this activity at home and always follow the safety rules. So children, keep practice reading and writing and always keep your home neat and clean and help your parents also and always follow the safety rules, traffic rules. Okay? Now it's time to say bye bye. Stay safe, take care, bye.